You have two unread messages.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Plymouth, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, Plymouth, Sheboygan Falls, Howards Grove, Pittsburgh, Kohler, Cedar Grove, Cascade, Adele, Waldo, Hingham, Haven, Jimsville, Harrington Beach, St. Park, and Johnsonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.